I'm Greg Hoffman with Apogee. We're going to be talking about compliance in the Apogee managed programs on the ShareASale network. I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of an affiliate agreement. All of our affiliate agreements are basically a template. So every single program we have, basically we've just changed the names of the brands. So let's get started. We're going to be starting with the affiliate agreement for Rainey's Closet. And I'm going to read through this and I'll explain some of the different points each time. The term of this agreement will begin upon our acceptance of your affiliate application and/or any modifications of this agreement and will end when terminated by either party. Either you or we may terminate this agreement at any time, with or without cause. As an affiliate, you have already accepted binding terms with the ShareASale network. The following agreement is specific to your engagement with Rainey's Closet and our affiliate management team. This does not have to be legally binding. These are our cans and cannots, our rules for this program, because you're already legally bound by the terms with the ShareASale network. Breach of these terms could lead to immediate termination from our program, negative feedback on your network profile, and voids in transactions. The key term there is could lead. Commissions. Advanced commission rules, conversion lines, are in place. Last click attribution is no longer the sole method of deciding which affiliate earns the commission. Affiliate models such as traditional coupon focused, loyalty cash back, and shopping cart abandonment are subject to commission splitting or commission elimination when closing on influencer, content focused, transactions. These end-of-funnel models receive less than default commission. If you have questions about your commission, ask the affiliate management team. Advertising. This is extremely important. You do not have permission to spend money on ads specifically promoting our brand or products, especially in the search engines and social media. However, if you want to explore paid ads with our brand, we are open to collaborating. Please reach out to our affiliate management team. These restrictions include, but are not limited to, pay-per-click, pay-per-view, pay-per-impression, media buys on ad networks, social media marketplaces such as Facebook or Instagram, offline print publications, billboards, radio, TV, YouTube, and others. No direct linking, no trademark keyword bidding, no trademark plus coupon keyword bidding, no non-trademark keyword bidding. We monitor this account daily for violations using the Brand Verity tool. Now, we are open to you spending money and buying ads, but you have to talk to us first. Trademark. Trademark names include Rainey's Closet and/or any misspellings or similar alterations of these keywords. This is going to change in every single program, obviously. Affiliate agrees not to register or use any URLs, domains, or social profiles, pages, groups, forums, which are considered by Rainey's Closet to be infringing on the Rainey's Closet name or trademark, including but not limited to any registered trademark and all pending trademarks. Now, let me explain this real quick. We don't want you to go out and buy Rainey'sClosetCoupons.com. You can't register a new domain with our trademark in it. If you create a landing page on your website, that's completely different and that is acceptable. That's common sense. Skipping. So to deals and promotions. Yes, you can purchase through your own affiliate links. We encourage you to purchase our products so that you may be able to share and speak to the entire customer experience from a place of genuine authenticity. We are not Amazon. There are some programs that do not allow you to purchase through your own links. All of our programs, you are encouraged to do so. When promoting Rainey's Closet, find all coupon codes through the ShareASale Deals and Coupons database under the Links tab. Read our newsletters for tips, ideas, and best practices. Affiliates are not permitted to use misleading text, images, or links that imply any deal that is not expressly authorized through the affiliate channel. Use of exclusive coupon codes by unauthorized affiliates will result in voided transactions. User-submitted coupon codes from other channels, such as email, are prohibited from use by affiliates. We have the right to void those sales. Expired coupons and deals must be removed or clearly marked as expired immediately. Only use logos, banners, and images provided through the ShareASale interface. Contact the affiliate management team before using any images from the merchant website or social media. We will most likely grant you permission, but we need to make sure that the merchant is okay with that. Sub-affiliate transactions without referring URLs are subject to voids. We must know who is promoting our products and where the traffic is coming from. This is mostly for the two sub-affiliate networks that we use. That would be Skimlinks and VigLinks. We reserve the right to reverse transactions due to order cancellations, duplicate tracking, returns, credit card fraud, disputed charges, or violations of this agreement. Again, that's standard in most affiliate programs. FTC compliance. For more information and suggestions about how to comply with the FTC's endorsement guidelines, please review, and then I give you 3 different websites to look for more information specifically from the FTC. We're dropping down. It says, please note that the FTC guides and resources are only intended to provide guidance. This is very important, you are required by Rainey's Closet to disclose your affiliate relationship on any promotion for this merchant. This includes, but is not limited to, blog posts, videos, emails, social media, and website pages. Your audience must understand you could earn commissions if they click your links. This disclosure statement should be clear and concise, stating that Rainey's Closet is compensating you for your review or endorsement. If you received the product for free from Rainey's Closet for review, this also must be clearly stated in your disclosure. We have this in every single one of our programs. Some specific examples that our affiliate management team will seek out when providing audits of your endorsements include, but are not limited to, disclosures must be made as close as possible to the claims. Disclosures should be placed above the fold. Scrolling should not be necessary to find the disclosure. For image-heavy platforms such as Pinterest, Instagram, Stories, Snapchat, hashtag ad should be on the image or the first image in a series. On video platforms such as YouTube, verbal disclosure within the video, as well as text disclosure in the description, is sufficient. Pop-up disclosures are prohibited. Social media posts must include proper disclosure, which may include hashtags such as ad, advertisement, and sponsored. Hashtags such as SP, SPON, affiliate, AF, and I'm going to add in partner, are not acceptable. Forms such as ad are acceptable on Facebook, as is natural language disclosure, if it's clear and concise. Example, this post does contain an affiliate link, which means if you purchase after clicking the link, I may receive compensation. Now, if you have questions, ask the affiliate management team, that would be Apogee, and hit reply to any newsletter or contact us at this email address. I just wanted to go through all of the rules that we have in our affiliate agreement, and this could be called the terms of service, the TOS, ShareASale calls it the affiliate agreement, and we have a standard template in all of our programs. If you have any questions or you want to debate any of these points, we're happy to do so. So please leave comments and ask questions. You can also ask us in our private Facebook group for affiliates. But we are always wanting to have this conversation, and we will be updating our affiliate agreement more often to make sure that we as managers are covered, the merchant is covered, and the affiliates have all of the understanding they need about what to do in our programs and what not to do. So thank you very much for watching. Please click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational videos for affiliates. We have several playlists to choose from, including Apogee Live, Affiliate Voices, and our educational series.